Hello, I'm Ian, an interior designer from Novena.
Hi, I'm Yuki, a project manager, and we are here today to talk about a project we worked on together, which is this walk-up apartment in Novena. Originally, this house was a 3-bedroom unit, but the previous owners had remodeled it into a 1-bedroom flat. So when we took over, the communal area was already this big.
It also used to have a modern theme, which wasn't what our clients liked. They actually wanted a mix of mid-century modern and Scandinavian styles. But when we saw their furniture wish list, we realized that they leaned more towards mid-century modern. So we used that as a starting point for the design, although we were careful to balance it with some contemporary influences so that it's not so dated. While the owners liked the open concept space, they also wanted to adapt the communal area to better suit their lifestyle. One of the things they wanted was a study, so to make way for it, we reconfigured the entire area. Firstly, we set up the study in the original dining area. Then, as they didn't need such a big living room, we decided to use some of this space to create their dining area. Initially, they wanted their study right by the entrance, but we advise against this as study areas tend to get cluttered. Instead, we suggested the dining room as it's neater and more welcoming. It's also the first thing guests see after entering the house, so their first impression will be much more positive. If you notice, we mostly start with loose furnishings, as the owners wanted the freedom to personalize the area with furniture that they like.
I think the kitchen underwent one of the more major revamps. Previously, it had a galley layout, but we have since changed it into an L-shaped layout so that it flows seamlessly into the dining room and also helps to separate the area. Looks-wise, we wanted it to both stand out and complement the earthy color theme in the dining area. So we chose the dark green laminate from Amira's Extreme series, as well as a walnut color laminate to create visual contrast.
There used to be a wall separating the bedroom from the walk-in wardrobe, but we have since removed it to merge the spaces together. But as we still wanted a sort of divider between the spaces, we proposed putting up a set of fluted glass sliding doors. They not only look sophisticated, but it also lets natural light flow into the bedroom and doesn't compromise on the open concept feel.
Unlike the other areas, the owners wanted their bathrooms to have a bright, modern luxe look. We actually left the common bathroom untouched since it was still in good condition and the owners really liked how it looked. In contrast, there was more work done for the master bathroom. The owners found this green marble look tile that they really liked, so we decided to incorporate it into the look with a sort of feature wall in the shower area. And to really make it pop, we used a bright white and grey color palette for the rest of the area. One of the challenges for this project was the logistics. As the house didn't have a lift, getting the materials up to the house was quite difficult.
The design was also quite challenging. For example, the space divided between the living and dining area involved a lot of coordination, as the metal poles and the timber shelves had to be fabricated off-site before being welded and assembled on-site. It helped that the homeowners were very patient and open to different ideas. Working with them was a pleasant experience, and I think it's partly why this house turned out so well.